I've played soccer since I was 5 years old. I competed at every level from recreation to the Olympic development program. In high school, I was able to win a Whitfield championship and became the #1 goalkeeper in the Whitfield. I was set to play in college when I suffered a serious shoulder injury requiring surgery and ending my collegiate opportunity. This is how my coaching story begins. After finding out I would not be able to continue my playing career, I decided to stay involved with the sport I loved in a different way. That way was coaching. I changed from wanting to become my best to helping others become their best. The first step I took was to take the E-license course. In soccer, in the coaching world, there are different levels of coaching licenses, with E being the starting point and A being the highest. I took and passed my E course and set my eyes on coaching at Century. I played for Century and now was fortunate enough to be put on staff. My first year as a full-time coach was the fall of 2014. I worked with U10 girls and had my dad as my assistant. Together we developed this young team. The following year I moved out with them and coached them as U11s. This is also the year I took and passed my D license course. The players continued to grow as I did myself, and that year I was also put on as the goalkeeping coach for Century. I was now fully immersed. This year will be going into my 4th year of coaching, and in addition to coaching at Century, I'm now on staff at the Upper St. Clair girls high school soccer team as their goalkeeping coach. It's been a wonderful 4 years, and I cannot wait to see where the next 4 years will take me in the world of